Hi everyone, so me again. So here I've come up to the top deck as I wanted to show you the water park. Now the water park isn't just for children, it's for children of all ages. There's loads of stuff going on. Now I'm going to move quite quickly and I'm going to show you just a glimpse of it, because obviously there's children here with families. You wouldn't want your children being filmed, so I'm going to sort of perhaps go up to the sky at certain points so I avoid heads and things. So just so you can see get an idea of what's here. So let me flip the camera around. Now here is the ropes course. How fantastic is that? And this is great for the teenagers, I think. So again, I'm going up a bit because I want to avoid the children, so we don't show anything like that. But you get a great idea of what is here. Now, James, our big kid, was playing in here earlier on.
I was, it was great fun.
This gives you... Now I have to be really careful because at some point this up here will drop a load of water and hopefully I don't want it to catch me. But this is a huge area. Now I'm going to stay over here. There we go, look, I think it's about to fall. But this is fantastic for the children. I mean, they literally have something to do for every minute of the day on this ship. It is fantastic. Now, I would like to have filmed further behind here, but because there's so many children around and playing and things, I don't want to invade people's privacy. But it gives you a good idea of where we are and what's here on offer. Hi. So James, you went on one of the rides earlier on today. What did you think?
It was great fun. So I went on the one that went off the side of the ship. A little bit nervy, not going to lie, but it's quite good. You're in a rubber ring. Good fun, really good fun.
So also, you're obviously a bigger guy. How did, you got refused on the last ship.
I did. That was fine. So on the ship here, everyone has to sign a waiver. It's nothing fun. It's just so they're not in control. You get a little wristband like this, and you can come up here. It's all free to use, and you can go on the slides as many times as you want. They're rubber ring slides, and you can do the rope course as much as you want as well. But really good.
And also, obviously, you get some really good views from up here as well. So parents, you can sit and have a sunbathe at the same time, while the children, and the big children amongst you, have some fun.